We'll guide you through how to use Tap to Pay on an Android. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient because then in a store, you can go and tap your phone and you're able to go and pay with your card. So we're going to guide you through how you can go about setting this up. So to go and get started, you want to go and swipe up on your phone. Find settings. You can always go and search for settings at the top. Then what you need to do is you need to go and find the option for connections at the top. In here, you want to go and find NFC and contactless payments and just make sure this is switched on. Now, what you need to do is you need to go and swipe up, press search at the top, and you want to go and type in wallet. If you go and have the wallet, this here, you can go and open it up and start using it. If you have the wallet here, that's what we're going to need. So if you haven't got it, open up the Google Play Store and you can go and search for wallet and get it. Once you've got it, open it up. So when we go and open it up, what we can do is add a payment card. This is what we're going to pay with. So go and tap there and we're now going to be able to go and begin the process. So what you can do is you can go and scan the card by using the camera here, or you can go and enter the card details manually. So you can do that. I'm going to go and scan it. So let me go and put my card in here. And now it's going to go and scan it, which it now has done. I now need to go and enter in the security code, scroll down and read it through. And then you can press save and continue like so. Now it's going to go and start adding it. Go and be patient while it goes and checks the eligibility. Make sure you read through the issuer terms. I already have. So I'm going to go and press accept there. It's now processing the details. Your bank needs to verify that it's you. So I'm going to press sign into bank app and go and press continue here. After you've gone and verified that it's you, it now says hold to reader. So now what I can do is go and hold to the reader and be able to go and pay. So when I want to go and pay again in the future, I'll just go and show you the process. Go and find your wallet. I've got it here, but you can go and swipe up and find it. You're going to be able to hold to the reader and go and pay. It's that simple. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more guides like this.